Hey everyone, we're back. As you know, it is April Fool's Day, a day all about jokes and pranks. So, my April Fool's joke is going to be this. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this low quality dollar store version of the Transformers police car. So let's get started and open it up. Now, without looking at the instructions on the back, I'm going to see if I can transform it. So I guess we'll start with pulling this guy out of the plastic. Okay, so this is the front. So we turn these over like that. Okay. With any luck, hopefully it won't snap or break. And as you know, I obviously have no idea what I'm doing here. Okay, I think I did it. I assembled it properly. Everything clicked. This is what it looks like. Seeing as how it's dollar store quality, we know that it's pretty pathetic because look at it. The paint quality is not perfect. It's sort of rubbed off. Now, I suppose this is the windshield. And there's like some kind of mark on here, so that's bad. Not to mention all of the windows are black, and that's not even realistic. And I don't think it's even realistic for the actual Transformers police car. And the most upsetting thing about this is they have the lights in the wrong order. Approaching from the back, the red is supposed to be on this side and the blue is supposed to be on this side, and you obviously know this, right? You are supposed to know this, and I am supposed to know this. And like, yeah, this thing is pretty sad. So yeah, how long did it take for me to assemble it? Now, we're gonna transform it back into robot mode. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm even doing this right, but it looks like this guy doesn't even really have any feet, unless the front of the car is supposed to be like this, and these are his feet. I have no idea, but yeah, that's pretty sad if that's the way it's supposed to be. Now, with the package, there are these two things here. This looks like a sword, and this looks like a gun. I'm guessing this is his arsenal kit. Now, I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a certain weapon in a certain hand, so I'm just gonna put him in the way I see fit. So we'll put the gun in this hand and the sword in this hand. So I have both of his weapons in both of his hands, and this thing is so pathetic. But yeah, I think I give myself A for effort. Yeah, and I don't think it took longer than a minute to assemble it, so I think I did pretty well. But overall, I'm not impressed with this at all. Not in the least bit.